Hi, today I'm going to be canning tomato basil soup from this cookbook, The Ultimate Guide to Preserving Vegetables by Angie Schneider. Follow along with me. My husband, Tomato Tim, loves growing tomatoes. This year he's growing 33 varieties, and 2 years ago at our old house he had 75 going. So today I'm making tomato soup. I'm gonna can it, but I hate having to peel the tomatoes. I do run them through, I do have a strainer that I can run them through, but you have to get it hot and then you run the hot tomatoes through the strainer. What I'm trying now is I actually bought a peeler called the Xylus, and it is meant to peel soft fruits and vegetables, and I used it on my peaches. It worked great, so now I'm using it on my tomatoes. It's awesome. So using this handy dandy soft vegetable and fruit peeler, here's what I got off my tomatoes. Here are my tomatoes ready to start the process of making tomato soup. The soup is now starting to cook. And now that it's boiling, I'm going to be pureeing it. Here is all of the discard from making my tomato soup. All the tomato skin and all the remnants and pieces of the vegetables. So out to my compost it goes. And here's my soup, pressure canned and ready to store away.